2024 Ford Edge. The 2024 Ford Edge is a medium-sized SUV that was unveiled at the 2022 Guangzhou Auto Show. It is a significant improvement over the present model, with a more minimalistic aesthetic and front-wheel drive. The Edge is powered by a new more efficient 2.0-liter gas engine in combination with an electric motor. That makes 271 horsepower and 275 lb-ft of torque. It is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. The Hyundai Santa Fe, Honda Pilot, and Chevrolet Camaro SUV are the Ford Edge's major competitors. Price and release date. The base model of the 2024 Ford Edge will start at $38,500. The new Edge will be available in 6 trim levels: SE, Cell, Titanium, ST, and ST line, but this year we expect Ford will introduce a new top-tier Grand Touring trim in their Edge lineup. The 2024 Ford Edge will release at the end of 2023 and it will go on sale in the United States in the first quarter of 2024. The estimated 2024 Edge price chart is given below. 2024 Edge SE, $38,500. 2024 Edge Cell, $39,700. 2024 Edge Titanium, $43,300. 2024 Edge ST, $47,000. 2024 Edge ST line, $43,450. 2024 Ford Edge Interior. The Ford's 2024 Edge interior is designed to be both comfy and efficient. It has electric rear windows, a manual telescopic steering column, and 4-way driver and passenger seats. The center console has the front and rear cup holders, while the instrument panel houses the compass and the cruise control. The glove box is situated on the passenger side of the dashboard, while the center console's knob controls the dual-zone front automatic air conditioning. The gear shifter is composed of a material that looks like metal, whereas the door trim insert is made of vinyl. On the driver's side of the dashboard are the delayed accessory power and the day/night rear view mirror. The instrument panel also has the trip computer and the exterior temperature indicator. 2024 Ford Edge Exterior. The appearance of the 2024 Ford Edge is smooth and stylish. The Edge has a hint of sportiness thanks to the body color rear spoiler and black external mirror caps, while elegance is added thanks to the body color door handles and black lower molding. The Edge has a powerful, sophisticated appearance thanks to its twin integrated exhaust system, laminated windscreen, and auto lamp headlights, which also provide a touch of modernity. Engine and transmission and performance. Ford Edge 2024 will have an advanced powertrain that includes an electric motor and a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder gas engine. This combination produces up to 271 horsepower, resulting in a smooth and powerful driving experience. The gas engine will be combined with an 8-speed automatic transmission for improved fuel consumption. The Ford Edge will provide customers with the option of front-wheel drive or optional all-wheel drive. Safety features and technology. The Ford Edge boasts side impact beams and an automatic braking system for your protection. Additionally, you may feel certain in your ability to stay safe on the road thanks to features like lane keeping assist and lane departure warning. The Ford Edge also has a rear child safety lock and a low tire pressure warning system that is specific to tires. Additionally, the SUV incorporates an airbag occupancy sensor for enhanced security. Visit NHTSA and IIHS websites for important information on the 2024 Ford Edge's crash test results. Infotainment and connectivity. The Ford Edge provides a range of advanced infotainment and connectivity features. The Sync 4A system is a standard feature, offering various functions and capabilities, allowing users to control their audio, climate, and navigation with ease. Ford Pass allows users to link their smartphone to the Edge, enabling access to exclusive Ford Pass benefits. The Edge also comes with an integrated roof antenna, AM/FM stereo, clock, steering wheel controls, Sirius XM, 6 speakers, and streaming music, allowing for a truly enjoyable experience. Warranty and maintenance coverage. The 2024 Ford Edge SUV comes with a comprehensive warranty and maintenance package designed to keep your vehicle running in top condition. The powertrain warranty is valid for a generous 5 years or 60,000 miles, while the limited warranty is valid for a full 3 years or 36,000 miles. To ensure your Edge runs at its best, Ford provides complimentary maintenance for the first 36,000 miles, covering oil changes and a host of other services. With these services and warranties, you can count on your Edge to keep you and your family safe and secure for years to come. Will there be a 2024 Ford Edge? The 2024 Ford Edge will release at the end of 2023 and it will go on sale in the United States in the first quarter of 2024.